Hello, welcome to English class, Chapter 2. Today we will learn numbers from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. 1. Can you repeat after me? 1. Great job. Let's look at one thing together. 1. Say it again. 1. Number 2. 2. Can you repeat after me? 2. Great job. Let's look at two things together. 2. Say it again. 2. Number 3. 3. Can you repeat after me? 3. Great job. Let's look at three things together. 3. Say it again. 3. Number 4. Can you repeat after me? 4. Great job. Let's look at four things together. 4. Say it again. 4. Number 5. 5. Can you repeat after me? 5. Great job. Let's look at five things together. 5. Say it again. 5. Number 6. 6. Can you repeat after me? 6. Great job. Let's look at six things together. 6. Say it again. 6. Number 7. 7. Can you repeat after me? 7. Great job. Let's look at seven things together. 7. Say it again, 7. Number 8. 8. Can you repeat after me? 8. Great job. Let's look at 8 things together. 1. 8. Say it again. 8. Number 9. 9. Can you repeat after me? 9. Great job. Let's look at 9 things together. 9. Say it again. 9. Number 10. 10. Can you repeat after me? 10. Great job. Let's look at 10 things together. 10. Say it again. 10. Number 11. 11. Can you repeat after me? 11. Great job. Let's look at 11 things together. 11. Say it again. 11. Number 12. 12. Can you repeat after me? 12. Great job. Let's look at 12 things together. 12. Say it again. Number 13. 13. Can you repeat after me? 13. Great job. Let's look at 13 things together. 13. Say it again. 13. Number 14. 14. Can you repeat after me? 14. Great job. Let's look at 14 things together. 14. Say it again, 14. Number 15. 15. Can you repeat after me? 15. Great job. Let's look at 15 things together. 15. Say it again. Number 16. Can you repeat after me? 16. Great job. Let's look at 16 things together. 16. Say it again. 16. Number 17. 17. Can you repeat after me? 17. Great job. Let's look at 17 things together. 17. Say it again. 17. Number 18. 18. Can you repeat after me? 18. Great job. Let's look at 18 things together. 18. Say it. Number 19. 19. Can you repeat after me? 19. Great job. Let's look at 19 things together. 19. Say it again. 19. Number 20. 20. Can you repeat after me? 20. Great job. Let's look at 20 things together. 20. Say it again. 20. Great job. Now let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Practice every day. See you next class.